Hi, it's Karina DeBlanc, your North Peoria new home realtor here, and I am going to show you Sereno by Mattamy today, which is one of the newest up-and-coming new build communities in the Northwest Valley. It is located right outside of Estancia. If you're not familiar with that area, you can check out some of my other videos, and we'll get you really familiar with the Northwest Valley and all of the new build options that are available for you. But the reason why Sereno is one of my favorites is because it is nestled along a mountain base. And so all of the community has really beautiful views. I'm going to show you those today, and we'll check out 4 of the models as well as what the local area has to offer. One of the newest communities in the 85383 North Peoria zip code is Sereno. And Sereno is being built by Mattamy Homes. And it's about 120 acres that are nestled right at the base of a mountain. To get to this community from pretty much anywhere in the valley, you're going to take the 303 and you're going to exit the Happy Valley or Vistancia exit and go west. And then from there, you'll turn left onto Ridgeline and you'll take Ridgeline basically until it dead ends at this mountain. And then that's where you're going to find the community. So there's 13 different floor plans to choose from here. And there's 22 spec homes that are currently under construction or available to be purchased. So they're building these homes pretty quickly, and there's a lot of different variations in floor plans. So there really is something for everyone in this community. One of the things that I like best about living in North Peoria is the schools. There's excellent schools, and the kids that live in Sereno will attend Lake Pleasant Elementary, which is a K through 8 school, and then they will attend Liberty High School, which is a 6A very large school in North Peoria that's very well known for both their sports and their academics. So check out those 2 schools. If you are not loving public school options, we do have some private schools and charter schools that are really close by. You shoot me a DM, I'll give you all the details on the school options that are available here in North Peoria. Another thing that we really love about living in North Peoria are all of the parks. So there's city parks, there's community parks all around. And one of the newest parks to come to the area is Paloma Park. Paloma Park has pickleball courts, dog parks. It has a pond for fishing, a lot of multi-purpose fields, huge playground, splash pad. I mean, you name it, this park has it. It is absolutely incredible, and it's only about a 10 to 12-minute drive from this community to access that park. So when you're looking at which lot in the community you'd like to build on, you'll need to ensure that the lot that you're looking at corresponds with the collection that the model you're looking to build is in. So the builder has already predetermined which collections are going to be built in which areas and on which lots. So that is something to pay attention to. If you go on their website, you can go to the interactive map and it will show you there, or you can always message me and I can help to identify what lot numbers you can build what models on. So the Elwood model is part of the Inspire collection, and this model is 1842 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms with 3 bathrooms, and it has a 3-car garage. So I really love that they added a 3rd bathroom and an extra garage space on this because in Arizona, we always need additional storage. We don't have basements here, and our attics are not load bearing. So that 3rd car garage is going to be really useful for you to put cabinets or, just some additional storage space for the property. Um, this model starts at $460,000, and there's a few different lots that you can select to put it on, or there are also some specs that are under construction and are ready to go that have all of their finishes selected, and you can go ahead and grab one of those. But let me know if you have any questions about the Elwood model. It is an awesome floor plan. Again, 3-car garage, 3 bathrooms, and a 3-bedroom, all on one level. A really great size and a good layout. The Osborne model is a two-story in the Inspire collection, and this home is 4 bedrooms plus a loft. It has 2.5 baths and a 3-car tandem garage. And so that means that one of the stalls is behind another one. So it does have 3 full spaces. You can park 3 cars, but one of them would be blocked in. It's 2,773 square feet, and the price point on this one starts at 538,000, and that price doesn't include any options or upgrades. So most people are going to add some options, some upgrades. Some people add a lot of options and upgrades, but the average is probably about 10% of the purchase price. So if you came in with a budget of, $40 to $50,000 in options and upgrades, you could really make this home super beautiful with really, really nice finishes, upgraded cabinets, flooring, all of that great stuff. But this model, I really love that, it's a two-story home, so it's going to have a smaller footprint on the lot itself, which is going to give you a bigger yard. So if you wanted to have a pool or a bigger yard, it might be a great option to go for the two-story home. And the floor plan on this one is really nice as well, with the half bath downstairs and then the 2 full bathrooms upstairs. So this is a great option. The Promenade Collection also features the Bellwood floor plan. This is a single story floor plan that's 2,645 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. It also has a breakfast room off of the kitchen, as well as a formal dining room and a flex room that they show modeled as a formal living space, but you really could close that off and do something else with it. It could be an office, it could be a gym, just an extra additional room there. There's a 3-car tandem garage, which is fantastic because, as we've talked about, there's not a lot of storage in some of these homes, and so having that additional stall is helpful for cabinets. This one also has storage in the laundry, so you'll see that. So that is some additional shelving that is going to be really appreciated. And the bathroom up front is nice because it has doors in all the right places so that if you've got kiddos sharing that space, someone can be showering while someone else is brushing teeth. It's really nice for privacy there. And I also love that the master bedroom is split. So it's kind of in the back on the other side of the house. So this is a really great floor plan, a lot of cabinet space, big island, and definitely one of the more desirable, offered at 566,000 as the starting price, and you can get lots with a premium as low as $5,000. So this is a really great option to keep your budget below 600. You can upgrade it really nicely and have all of those great features. The Caden model is a single story home that is just shy of 3,000 square feet at 2,952. It's priced just under 600,000 for the base price, so the price is 598,990 at the time of this video, and it is a 4 bedroom plus a dining room that could potentially be converted into some type of a bonus space if needed, and it has 3.5 bathrooms. One of those bathrooms is located in an ensuite bedroom at the front of the house, so that is like a private guest suite with its own bathroom, which I think is really, really a nice feature. And then it also has the 3-car garage, so you get that additional storage.
This property is my absolute favorite model that they have here at the Sereno community. And if you have any questions on it, feel free to reach out.